Plotagon laziness reboot 3, Gayloo orders, at McDonald's/grandsas. Daddy.
Washington, New Mexico, New York.
Can me go McDonald's?
Finn. If me'll be haha, counted for potatoes.
30,000 million McPotatoes later. Welcome to McDonald's. Why want?
Me want 2 sad mel.
And me want? Let a MES check for. Sorry, we don't have.
Gayloo. Shut up! And at your sad mel.
Me want? Me want? Me want? Me want? You better give it to me right now. Sir, me want you to leave BC of the 10th room. Get out!
Sorry, I don't understand. Gayloo, how dares you say, at McDonald's, you know. Very offensive and make people ugly, that it. Grandsas for 1,000 seconds. Go room now.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye!